Hi friends, it's Courtney again with Subtle Beauty, and I am camping. So here is the camper. Because I take pictures and videos on all of our family adventures, I always like to have some makeup on my face so that I look my best. So I have all of my Subtle Beauty stacks. It's perfect for this. I did start with putting my eyebrows on and also some eye makeup, but now I will take our concealer and just touch up under the eye. And now for the cheek, I love the Perfectly Pink. Always use the bronzer for a nice healthy glow and a bit of definition. Some of our highlighter for my eyelid. And then I love to mix shades for the lip. So I always do our Dusty Rose. And then I'll put the Perfectly Pink on top. My Subtle Beauty Stack, perfect for camping.